I loaded into Phil's squads and started minding my own business, playing the piano when my mate asked for some help.
Hey, if anyone in your find an humidifier, let me know. Looking for one. Please or thank you.
What are you looking for? Sorry, I was playing the piano.
Humidifier.
Instantly, we set out on a mission for his humidifier. After several minutes, our other teammate finds it. Mission complete, or so we thought. Just moments later, a leaper spots us and full sends it on our location. Have no fear, Scuba Sweep is here, and my new mission is to keep you safe. As suspected, we defeat the Leaper, loot, and begin our journey back to Extract when the unexpected happens.
Danger. Upstairs.
What will happen next? Will pewpoug make it out with his humidifier? Or will we fail our mission?